Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Spotify easy tutorial step by step clearly. Investing in Spotify is a straightforward process. Begin by understanding what investing in a company entails. Research Spotify's financial health and growth potential. Visit a reliable financial news website to gather market information. Check Spotify's stock ticker symbol, which is SPOT. Choose a brokerage platform that meets your investment needs. Sign up for an account with the chosen brokerage. Provide the required identification and financial information. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to facilitate your investment. Navigate to the search bar on the brokerage platform. Type in Spotify's stock ticker, SPOT. Review the current price and market trends of Spotify shares. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Select between a market order or a limit order. A market order buys shares at the current market price. A limit order sets a specific price at which you want to buy shares. Once you've made your decision, click on the buy option. Confirm your purchase and review the details. Monitor your investment regularly through the brokerage platform. Stay informed about Spotify's performance and any major news related to the company. Consider your overall investment strategy and goals going forward. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's wise to consult with a financial advisor if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.